and welcome to my channel. Today I just want to show you something super simple, and it is my bows that I told you guys I was going to order from Decorate Your Life, and I did, and they came in, and I just wanted to share them with you. These ones were made just for you. A little thank you. Aren't they adorable? These are a cream color, almost like an ice cream color. And remember, I told you guys I was going to put them in my shabby chic book. Here are the white. Gorgeous. The pink. The lilac. Oh, they're so pretty. I can't remember. These weren't red. I don't remember. I have to go back and look at the colors. She sent me a packing slip. Maybe they were the red, but they don't look. And then she sent me made just for you. It's the little brown coffee with creamer color. In Spanish, we say café con leche. So pretty. And then here's a little darker than the vanilla. See? It's almost a light tan. Aren't these gorgeous? You guys remember my, this is silly, but it's true. Look at the black. Aren't they amazing? And so, yeah, I got beige, cream, rose gold, Tiffany blue. That was the Tiffany blue. Fuchsia. That's what they were. I was like, aren't they beautiful? They are absolutely beautiful. And then Tiffany blue, fuchsia, rose gold. Of course, we know the black, the light pink, lavender, white, cream, beige, just trying to kind of, and then rose gold, I said, Tiffany blue, fuchsia, and then pink. Yeah, pink. The lavender and the white are all over there. And then she gifted me the black. Thank you, Sandi. Thank you, Sandi. So, anyhow, just over $1. I think $1.43. And if you use the code, then you get an additional 15% off at checkout. But here's my thought. Look at all these pretty bows for just a second. I want to see if, and I think if my thought's right, I just might do, I keep losing stuff, you all, so bad. Anyhow, the box that I made, to hold my buttons, I think I'm going to set these up in there on the little cards. And then when I'm doing my projects and I need a bow, I could just pull them out of that little box I made. I think that's a grand idea. That is absolutely what I'm going to do. And we could play cards. But I won't bet my Sandi bows. Anyhow, get over there and get you guys some bows. They're awfully nice. All right. Thank you, Sandi. And thank you guys for being a part of my channel. And I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for watching and being a part of my channel. I truly appreciate
each and every one of you. If you enjoyed today's video, please share my channel with your crafty friends. It helps me to grow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.